So part of what we're doing this Christmas is to ensure that some of the organisations around this area receive a bit of support and financial contribution to make things easy for them this Christmas. And this evening we have two special teams here with us this evening, the team and the children from St. Christopher's and the team and the children from Dilkusha here tonight to help us light this tree. So I want to extend a very, very warm welcome to you all, and thank you very much for coming and supporting us and Suva this evening. I encourage everyone to find a few spare coins in their pocket and this evening, and to please don't go home without putting 20 cents, 50 cents into the collection box. We're going to have a collection box here over the Christmas period, and we're collecting funds so that we can give back to these important members of the community who have some challenges, as we know, over the festive time. So please give generously and think of our friends. This Christmas tree is the biggest of its kind, not just in Fiji but in the Pacific. This is the biggest tree in the Pacific, and it's as far as we can make out, it's the first Christmas tree anywhere near the size to be lit in Fiji for Christmas. This has been happening now. Digicel has been putting this tree into Suva since 2009, and it's become an institution and it's become a tradition in Fiji, and we thank you for allowing us to make that happen. Minister for Trade and Enterprise, Mr. Faiaz Koya, thank you very much for joining us, and just invite you to say a few words on behalf of your team.
Thank you, Dennis. Good evening, everybody. Absolutely pleasure for me to be here today. It's not day for long speeches, but I'll just say something to Digicel. As the CEO pointed out, this is the biggest Christmas tree, and these guys have been doing it from 2009 just for Suva. So please, a big round of applause for Digicel. It's a wonderful spirit that starts today when this Christmas lights up, and I hope everybody realizes that the generosity that Digicel has shown towards our kids that are needy, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping these children. And please, ladies and gentlemen from Suva, make sure you help all these children. These children are the children of Fiji, and they're our future. And I wish you all a wonderful Christmas season. Be safe, be a great Fijian, enjoy your Christmas in the true Fijian spirit. Thank you very much. Finaka.
From St. Christopher, lighting up our biggest ever Christmas tree in Fiji.
Ang time the being I do sa iyong senikal ang gawama nung gusenikaw ni Moni Rico Takawakoti Ilan ni Mula Sera sa iyong ang naruyang Bekaponi nung gusenikaw ni Moni I'm